We're taking a look at the BH234PSLD from the VentAHood collection. This is a stainless steel liner. As you can see, it is outfitted with dual level LED lighting, automatically adjusting blowers based on temperature, and their patented Easy Clean system, where the grease drains through this tiny hole at the bottom of this blower housing into this tray for easy cleanup. Takes less than a minute. As we take a look at their 300 CFM unit, it is 5.4 zones. It does require a 6-inch diameter duct pipe extending from the top of the hood to the exterior of the house. The recommended mounting height on this is between 27 and 30 inches. You might notice on my SLD video, it is a lower recommended mounting height between 24 and 27. So the deeper the unit with the VentAHood catalog, the higher it is spec'd to hang at. And you might find with your range manual, they may be saying you can hang your liner or hood as much as 36 inches above the cooktop. VentAHood has done testing to create their recommended mounting heights. Essentially, the smoke rises off the cooktop, it begins to cool off at a certain elevation, has more lateral movement. So on this particular series of the single blower, we have a 30, 36, 42, 48, and a 54. We have wall louver VP526 and roof caps VP539 or VP539 HP, depending on how steep your roof is. I do have a video on my website and YouTube channel to help you determine how to gauge the pitch or steepness of your roof to determine which size is right for your installation. I might mention now they do have an M600 series liner. These can actually achieve a higher CFM in using that same 6-inch duct pipe, although they are much louder at almost 3 times the zone level, and they are harder to clean. If you do wok, stir fry, or like an indoor barbecue, you may want the M series to achieve that higher CFM and a smaller width. You can also use their M1200 blower and achieve 1035 CFM through a 10-inch pipe. And you can do that on the widths of 30 and 36 with this M series unit. Looking at the 8-inch diameter duct pipe extending from the top of the hood to the exterior of the house, this is going to be their double blower model coming in at 600 CFMs. It's 6.5 zones, so it hasn't gone up much in volume from the single blower version. And you have widths of 30, 36, 42, 48. VentAHood has a high flow wall louver, VP528. And the roof cap for this installation would be the VP541 or the VP541 HP. These accessories are perfect for this system because they're designed to match the square inches of the pipe you're connecting it to. Once again, we are reviewing the PSLD liner. This is the 22.5 depth, and it'll actually end up being 24 inches in depth once your contractor builds the box. Moving right along to the 3 blower varieties, you have the 900 CFM coming in at 6.3 zones. 2 different ways to duct this unit. We can run an 8-inch diameter round next to a 6-inch diameter round, or we can use the manufacturer's VP562 transition, combining an 8 and a 6-inch round into one 10-inch round. Here we have the widths of 48, 54, and 60. We use a combination of the VP526 and the VP528 for these wall louvers. If you went with a 10-inch duct pipe, it's the VP554. On the roof caps, we have the VP539 or VP539 HP, or on the 8-inch, we have the VP541 and the VP541 HP. Largest of the PSLD family, we are looking at the 1200 CFM. So that's 4 blowers running at high speed to achieve that CFM. It's 6.6 zones total volume, which is very quiet for the amount of air it's moving. So you can duct this with 2 individual 8-inch pipes or one 12-inch duct run to the exterior of the house. We have the widths of 54, 60, and 66. Wall louvers VP528 or VP555 if you're going with that 12-inch pipe. And the roof caps, you'll have your option of the VP553 or VP553 HP for the 12-inch duct, or a combination of roof caps, dual VP541 or dual VP541 HP for this particular unit. Give us a call or an email with any questions you might have. You can reach out to us on our email forum here. Thank you for stopping in.